Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2021 Scout 195 SF. We'll start off with the boat's exterior. This is the standard white hull color, more of a cream color. It also matches the interior as well. So I'll come around the back side. We have this boat powered with a 115 horsepower 4-stroke from Mercury. Over here to the port side, we have a swim platform with a telescoping reboarding ladder. Making our way inside the boat. Here in the cockpit, we have 2 rear quarter seats with storage beneath. It's all finished out and drained. You have backrests and bolsters that continue up along the gunnels. There's storage beneath both gunnels for rods, boat hook, boat brush. This is a self-bailing cockpit. Cup holders back here, rod holders as well. For a 19-foot boat, really large access to your bilge area and your systems. Everything is all finished out. It's easy to keep clean. It's easy to access as well. It's not an afterthought by any means. Making our way forward. Really comfortable helm seat. Easily seats 2, has a nice high backrest. This backrest is removable and can stow inside the console. So this gives you 2 more rod holders. You got a live well that's lit and aerated here. But here you've got a nice little prep area if you want to use this space that way. But with the backrest up, your passenger can be a spotter for a skier, or this is a good position to fish off the back end. We have this boat equipped with the aluminum T-top. Comes with integrated welded rocket launcher rod holders, T-bag storage for life jackets or your throwable device. This is a custom built T-top, really solid and sturdy. Something you can do chin-ups from. Not going to rattle or shake. If we pan over here to the helm area, we've got a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, 2 cup holders. We've got a lockable glove box with charging ports for your cellular devices. Battery switches here. We've got an adjustable footrest. We've got enough space to mount up to a 9-inch Garmin on the dash or whatever GPS brand you prefer. Tilt helm steering wheel. Half acrylic windshield from Scout, and our analog/digital gauges from Mercury. If we come around to the port side, this is a really large head area for a 19-foot boat. They've recessed the floor and made it to where it drains, so you can fit a porta potty in this easily. This is also a really great space for storage, especially large items like a full mooring cover. Further forward, we have a cooler with cushion and backrest. Access to batteries are in the floor beneath this. It's a really large hatch. Large area here. You got a nice bow cushion with aft-facing backrests. So this is a space that can easily seat a parent and a child or a couple of adults. Really great fishing platform up here as well when you want to remove the cushion. A lot of real estate up here on the bow. A lot of space to maneuver around the foredeck. Great storage up here as well. Again, all finished, no rough edges. This is drained. Access to anchor line is through that forward compartment. And anchor is housed beneath this hatch here. Also have recessed pop-up cleats throughout the boat. Stainless grab handles. I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and that's a look at Scout's 195 Sportfish. If you have any questions about this model or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Always check us out at MarineMax.com, and be sure to check our store's Facebook page as well. I'm Carl Anderson for Larry Carson. Thanks for watching.